We're all fairly warm this morning, but I'd say certain places are slightly cooler. We'll get to that in just a second. But first, let's talk about what you can expect for your weather today. Higher rain chances inland along the coast. I'd say about a 20 to 30% chance of rain inland, though 40 to 50% chance of rain and storms this afternoon. Above average highs continuing. We had a record high in Vero Beach yesterday. We got very close to the record in West Palm Beach yesterday as well. We won't be quite that hot, but it is still going to be above average and a pretty good beach and boating day. So let's get straight to it. Fairly quiet out there this morning, starting on your satellite and radar. I am keeping an eye on this line of showers that's kind of popped up off the Treasure Coast. It could get a little bit closer to shore, but for now it is staying well offshore. A few stray coastal showers possible for the early part of the day, but it's really after 2 o'clock around Lake O when you'll start to see those rain chances popping up. We could have a couple stronger storms as well, and then things begin to clear out for the evening. So you can see throughout the day today, the coast staying mostly dry. Your temperatures, the coolest spot if you're looking at 73 in Fort Pierce and Belle Glade. Those are our coolest spots. Most of the area, though, a little bit on the warmer side this morning. It's 77 in Okeechobee, 79 in West Palm, 80 in Boca. Boca also going to warm up very quickly today. We're all warming into the mid 80s by 10 a.m. and upper 80s by 11 o'clock. Lower 90s by your lunch hour, feeling like the triple digits. If you're doing some boating, a light chop on the inland water sees 2 to 3 feet and a moderate risk of rip currents at area beaches along the Treasure Coast. Of course, that hot sun continuing. We'll stay with right around average rain chances and the typical summertime pattern through the weekend. I've got more weather coming up every 5 minutes.